started recording, and I'm going to write GIN, right? And believe me or not, what I'm seeing is the inverse image. For the student's view or the viewer's view, and even for the recording, it should come GIM at the right order. On the contrary, let me now go to the screen share and start the screen sharing option. And now if I'm going to go back to this view and start writing, you might get the other way around. So let us see, am I going to, how am I going to write G-I-N